Boost them up like supple gen for run up, make me shoot them. Aki walk, you know the movements, rifle me, I use to mute them.
Right now, me have to say, Silk Boss, hats off to you. Me nah lie. Them songs where you drop you, them bad. Jahshii, hold on. Man, leave it ends trashy. That me have to say, you know. Because me nah lie. The man drop couple songs. The man drop the last thing right now when him Last Nation. Hold on. You see Last Nation? You see First Nation? Turn Last Nation. The man this them, the man this everybody. What I say? And the man not show subliminal, you know. The man show direct shade. The watch on the man, direct the man fire the shot them pan them. I guess I go on. The man call name. And that's why I say direct. Because name I call. The man not go road no corner. Hold on, man. Hold on, my mind, you know. We know Silk Boss and sense already, you know, because we saying operate, you know. The man hold on. If you a subscriber, what a style?
I want you to subscribe to me.
You want them what?
Them. Get that drink, yeah. Yeah, I want you to subscribe to me. For the human too. Tune in for the human too.
Where name by human too?
I mean,
Anthony TV.
Sean Cole. I'm playing at school. I would them. Watch out now. The Heinz boss. Them know me. Cool, yo.
I want you to slaughter that motherfucker. Chop him! Chop him blood clot up like milk meat.
Right now, we know. Just the intro alone. Kill everything. Agree or not. What me say? Me agree. And me I say it. Me know what me I say. Me listen everything. Watching that man. Me say just the intro alone. Kill Jahshii. Yeah man. Silk, hold on. How kind of meds you all? Right now, I'm not lie. Silk, you take that one. Jahshii, you better respond. And when you respond, nobody take 1 month like the last song. And try to respond stronger. That me I tell you. Because right now, Silk I go hard. Yo, Silk I move Silk. A man just a slide so and I kill them. And I say, oh no, me a last, you know, the whole Last Nation and hold on. Make you take it, make you go down to the song the real way and talk about it.
Them up like supple gen for run up, make me shoot them. Aki walk, you know the movements, rifle me, I use to mute them. Fling about man 32 dead. That song the week, better than Pree did I write the tune them.
Right there and then, you know, the man I make you know, say, oh, yeah man, oh no, boost up Jahshii. Tell him same bad make him run up. And me get to shoot him. The man say, Jahshii, you see the song we sing what here? That weak youth. The man say, you better you make Dan Pree. No. He don't say Dan Pree. The man say, yo, you better you make Yamm Pree. Right, that tune them bombard us. That means I watch I see it. Dan Pree, they do a song. I try to defend Jahshii and I did Silk. No. Silk is not much better. When I was listening back to that song right now, and I shoot everybody. You see me? So man I say, yo, right now, you know, Jahshii, it better effort you make Yamm Pree. Right to tune them. So in a one sense, him kind of say Yamm Pree bad. But at the same time, him might this Yamm Pree. I say, yo, hey boy, what you do? Hold on. It'll get nicer. Make me take in some more, right?
Shot and knock and skull a crack, me coulda swear a 2 egg. 2 me sick in a me head, them say me lose me screw them.
Bet say all I will never rate Silk Boss, rate him now. Because what? Them lyrics are what the man a jack bad. The man say, yo, shot and knock, head a crack. Him coulda swear a 2 egg. The man say, yo, the way how him sick, the way how him mentally ill, psychopathic. Them swear him lose him screw them. At that the man I make you know. And that's why the man say, Jahshii run up. Jahshii run up, Jahshii.
I saw me make it cake, clap him face, damage brain and lift. Him baby mother say no worry about him, have to worry. Climb youth, favor poppins.
What? What the fuck?
Oh my God. What? What the fuck? Hold on, man. Man say I say kill. Hold on, man. The man go all personal story. The man go down in the man family life, be a mother drama. Silk Boss, Jahshii go kill you in a youth. Let me tell you that. Hold on, no. Hold on. Yo, better you can find a word to say. I'm going to skip the next slide right now. I'm serious. I'm not like it's not bad.
All fuck Pree dead and be a crutches. Me never call up. Me left a hole in a them, just like I don't know.
And Dan Pree, I wonder if you know, say, The song where you sing on this silk, him listen it. Yeah? Him hear it, you know. Yeah? I know like what you sing in the song. The man did some more than one time in the song. Yeah. The man say, yo, all yamm pree dead and it catches. John no star. The man say, what you do know? Left a hole in him head like a donut. Boop! In your head. Yo, I know me so make him man call the song Last Nation, yo, because him man a lost everything. That him man do, you know.
Trashy who you a try for bully. Your head about your brain skin out like a derby pussy. Send them up with Auntie Lucy. Pretty girl me send for look him. At 1 o'clock she bust him head and send the picture to me.
And Silk Boss, man not lie. Yo, this man is creative. This man is so creative right now. The man put everything together in another song and deal it away. The man I make a no say, yo. You see right now when him bust Jahshii head, it up and up like under Abby, you know. Yeah, man. That the man I say, yo, watch out, man. And just send a pretty girl for look him. And she just bust him head and send a picture to him like this, you know. All while go on, you know, it seems like still fine. So, yo, Jahshii, pretty girl, easy to catch him. Can't ever talk about Bree. Yeah, man, say, alright, yes, I don't know. I don't go to send Bree, no. I get one of my side girl, I look good, see him here, and send him to go look him. Yeah, man, and make sure catch him. Because in fact, pretty pussy, you know. Yeah, so what you go on now? My girl, come in the room, take off my clothes, because girl clown. Yeah, man, bust him head. Make him feel everything is going to be alright. Then bust him head and take a picture and send to me. Contract sign and seal. Jesus Christ, them dead. Last Nation. Yeah, man call that jahshii. Jesus, peace. If you are a subscriber, if you sang bad, tell me say you sang bad. But not lie. I don't know say you sang bad. Don't go anything. If a First Nation you say, you know, have to say the song bad. Because me with jahshii, you know. Don't matter if you come this talk now. Me going to explain the song to you, what I go on in the song. Me personally rate jahshii. And me give him all the credit him forget. But this is right now, I have to talk about Silk Boss song when I sing. When I drop The Last Nation, Dan Pree get this, everybody get this, bag of things, people get head shell out. I'm not lie. It plays bloody youth.
Me ball why me do this, you know see the boy a rookie. Wash out himself so me go finish give him a couple bullets. Shaggy better talk to Scooby, fool and bring no badness to
Anybody said a song about a idiot, them don't know bad song. Anybody who said a song about hold on no. The man say his mother asked him, yo, silly, come here, make a do this. The man say, mommy. And I said, the boy a rookie. Shoot himself. The man say, guess I go on. Me I gotta just finish him off with a couple bullets. The man say, yo, Shaggy talk to Scooby. Hold on, no. So I over talk to who? Hold on. Let me see, I over for one who now. I sting for one, Jahshii. I don't know. Arab. You are calling about his name. I don't call no name, you know. Because to how you place bloody, we might get all bloody too. Right now, if you are a subscriber, I not go down another song no more. Hold on. Only thing I want on to do, tell me in the comment section, oh, Silk Boss go on. Oh, top 10, oh, what is this song? On a feel say, Jahshii lead. Well, him can't lead because I just one song him drop. And Silk gone about 3. And a 3 bad song the man sing. And that one song, yeah, for me, kill every other song. So, make we say, one song to one song. Jahshii song I sing one day, plus that one I know, in still a bit same way. But a clash can't finish until it's finished. It just start. So, I don't crown nobody yet. We just want to hear more song. Yeah, that you want. So if you are a subscriber, as me say, in the comment section, chat to me. Let me know what go on. At the Irons Boss, at the Irons TV. Fresh and cool, coming again as a spool. I'm out.
Jahshii, you get up now.